We have been invited here today to witness and celebrate the union of Miguel and Jennifer. You stand together in front of me, your family, and friends to say those three words to each other. I choose you. After 32 years together, you two know many of the quirks, habits, and things that drive each other nuts. And you know that there is no one else you'd rather make this journey with. You are saying to one another, I choose you over all others.
Oh my god, I love it! All those bridal magazines, Mom, remember that I used to get back in the 80s and 90s? Oh, yeah.
Ever since I was a little girl, I dreamt of falling in love with one person and growing old with them. And you made that dream come true. These past 33 years have flown by so quickly, and we have grown and changed in so many ways while still managing to stay together throughout all the good, all the bad times as a team.
Jennifer, I'm honored to be standing close to you on such a defining and extraordinary day. Today, I'm ever so grateful to be here with you at our matrimonial ceremony. As a long time ago, we started a journey that I believe we both knew we were destined to travel together. Here we are. Still, it's surreal to me right now that I'll be calling you my wife for the rest of our lives. Life with you has been filled with blessings and salvation many times over. I can't imagine a world without you. Your love, your smile, and your essence.
When you look at me the way that you do, my heart smiles. I melt inside. You are so thoughtful and caring, and it amazes me how you continue to keep me in awe of you every day. Still, after all this time, you are my everything. You are part of everything I think and do and feel. You are my soulmate.
I feel so blessed that we have shared our entire lives together and continue to be resolute in understanding and supporting each other, moving forward hand in hand. Somehow in my heart, I have always known I would be secure with you, which in turn has always made me stronger. And through this strength and conviction, one thing always remains true. My love for you can only grow stronger and stronger with each passing day. I love you.
When death takes my hand, I will hold you with the other and promise to find you in every lifetime. I can't wait to marry you, Miguel Jimenez. I love you.
For the last 32 years, you called each other boyfriend and girlfriend. Almost 2 years ago, you had to adjust to the strange new word fiancé. Today, your terms for each other are changing once again, this time for good. And so, by the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss. now it is my honor to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Jimenez.
It means so much to us to share this special day with you guys, and we love you so much. Every one of you have been an important part of our lives, and we're just so grateful that you're here.
Just want to thank everybody for coming. I want to thank Jennifer's parents, my parents, especially Jennifer's parents. A salud.
Jenny, I've known you my whole life, and there's never been a time when I wasn't amazed by your kindness, your strength, and your ability to bring out the best in people around you. Miguel, thank you for being the person who loves and cherishes my sister the way she deserves. As you both continue this journey as partners in life, I know that the strength and bond you've created over the years will only get stronger. I love you guys with all my heart.